Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, December 5th, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar Canadian, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. But also don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you would like to get access to my swing trade setups, my daily members only live streams on Zoom, and my 34 video trading course all included for only $30 per month. So anyways, on the US dollar CAD, I still think this is a big WXY pattern on the monthly time frame. If that is true, then this probably is going to end up starting a pretty big downtrend, probably around the same size as this downtrend over here, to complete the A, the B, and the C of wave Y. So let's head down to the weekly time frame. So on the weekly time frame, we are sitting at the 78% fib, which would be a perfect area for this to turn down. The whole thing is that we do not have a breakup trend. We do not have the end of this trend right here. And since we don't have the end of a trend, we have to keep in mind that it could continue to go up. Where the trend is not over until the market says the trend is over. So going down to the daily, so my breaker structure confirmation that the trend is over is right here. If price goes down and breaks down low, then I would definitely start getting very aggressive on my shorts. Otherwise, anything that we see to the downside, we have to realize may very likely only be a correction to the last wave up, and it may just continue the uptrend really at any time. So going down to the 4 hour time frame. So on the 4 hour time frame, to me it definitely looks like impulsive down, possible wave A. We are definitely still drifting upwards. I think is likely a wave B, or maybe this is a wave 1 and this is a wave 2. We do have a Fibonacci bounce, but I think it needs to go up again and at least grab these highs and maybe even go up to a higher fib level before it actually does end up continuing down for either a wave C, which would go down, probably take out these lows, make a higher low than this low, and then continue up, or possibly go down and make a 3, which would go down and break structure, confirming that the higher time frame trend is complete. So let's take it down to the 1 hour time frame. So on the 1 hour time frame, I personally think we should still be looking for longs. I think that we're eventually going to make another push up. We should at least take out these fibs right here. The previous high right here, and we might even end up going up to a higher fib level, which I think we need to actually get rid of this Fibonacci on this time frame, and we need to put a Fibonacci on this time frame from here to here, because that's going to be the most relevant thing. Because if this right here is a correction to this last push down, then most likely it will go up to one of these fib levels, probably more likely like the 61.8 before it makes a push down, either ending a wave B or 2 and going down for either a wave 3 or wave C, like I was explaining on the higher time frames. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.